DIYers, what's going on, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel? Thank you for watching. We're going to open up our brand new Zitahli wallet and give you a full description of it and view of it. Let's take a look. DIYers, here we are at the Craftsman workstation, and it's behind the jet ski back there. Hey, if you are ever curious if we are busy here at the DIY Raptor headquarters, I can promise you this, we are always busy. And this is my mom and dad's jet ski in for winter projects. And to the workstation, I'll clean that up and we will open this new wallet. Got the workstation cleaned up and it comes in this little packaging. Ordered it off Amazon. Down below in the comment section as well as the description section will be a link on where to purchase this exact wallet. I'll set that aside. And again, here it is. I'm going to open it up. Check that out. Neat. And this is the color that I chose. As you see here, it's got the brown leather inside and the cream or tan finish on the outside. Set that aside. Here's our old wallet. Here's a new one. Check that out. Obviously we haven't put anything in it, but we will here shortly. And the main attraction to this new wallet is to decrease the bulkiness of the wallet in our pocket. And packaging, really nice. Impressed by that. I'll close all this up, set that aside. And again, check that out. Big difference, as you can see, right? And again, we've got 2 sleeves on the outside here. And whatever you put on the outer sleeve will show slightly in this little window right there. And here is for your driver's license. And we've got a money clip. How cool is that? And as far as the amount of sleeves inside, we've got one on the far right, we've got one on the far left, and I believe that is 2 separate sleeves. And it is. So that's cool. So this sleeve does not go all the way through to this sleeve. They are 2 separate sleeves. In addition, a 3rd sleeve there, and a 4th sleeve up top. And to the right side, I will take this out. Again, you can put anything in there. However, being the clear and open sight glass, most people will choose to put their driver's license in there, or maybe a picture. And an additional sleeve there, and an additional one below that. On top of that, a sleeve here, and a sleeve there. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sleeves on the internal portion of the wallet, and 2 additional ones on the exterior or outside of the wallet. And to an update, I've transferred everything over and I threw away quite a lot of stuff actually. And I like that. Not sure what I'm going to put inside here, but when that time comes, I'll figure it out. I like the color, both internal and external. I like it a lot. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And again, always busy here at the DIY Raptor headquarters and the Craftsman workstation. As you can see, there is our channel logo on our skateboards. Thanks again for watching. DIYers, we are back with you with a 10-day update, and long story short, the wallet's been great. I really enjoy it. I like the size. I like all of the sleeves and a couple additions to the wallet in the last 10 days. As you can see, I've added our DIY Raptor logo for our YouTube channel, and I've spent some money. I plan on enjoying this wallet for a very long time.